I'm cooking with the Robot Cook today, and I'm going to make a very simple pâté, but you could also make a parfait with it and put it in a mould with a little addition of gelatine. But this is a one-stage job. It is so simple. But because we've got control with temperatures and the speed we actually use the processor at, and there's a timing element on there as well, we can do this whole process, a finished pâté, within a few minutes. So here at the moment I've got chicken livers here, little sun-blushed tomatoes, some garlic, parsley, tarragon, thyme and rosemary. I've also got keeping some back because I'm going to add some later as well. So this goes straight into the Robot Cook. And we're going to put the eggs in. We're going to put the butter in, and we're going to put some mushrooms in. Now, instead of adding zest in the sense of grating it and all the work and juicing, if you prepare your orange like you would for segments, take off all the pith, you've got all the flavour and juice there, and the machine can cope with it. So you just put it in like that. And then the zest, you don't have to zest it down in any way, just take it off with a peeler so you haven't got any of the pith for the bad flavour. Some sea salt, some nutmeg, black pepper, here I've got some smoked bacon and shallots which has been sautéed off. Just put a third of that in. Now first of all I'm just going to give this on a turbo to take this all down to a puree. Okay, let's just check that. That's lovely. And we can see how smooth it is. It's lovely and creamy. Okay, right, now I need to set the temperature. I've set the top one at 80 for the temperature. It's now, the ambient temperature is 22, but that will go up to 80 when it's cooking. I set my speed to 400. The machine won't let you go over 600 when you're cooking because of for safety reasons. So I've set that at 400. That's great for this sort of type of thing we're doing. Now I'll set the time, 4 minutes, and then we're ready to go. So all I need to do now is I push the start button, and now I'm just going to dribble some Madeira in through the access we've got at the top here, just about a liqueur glass full. Right, I've got the temperature up to nearly 80 now. This can vary in time from 4 to 6 minutes depending on the ambient temperature of your livers when you start. So now I'm just checking it, it's starting to coagulate. Now I just want to raise the temperature to 82 and then just wipe down the machine, and then you keep a little eye on it now just for a few moments. As it comes up it will start to set. Right, just before it gets to the final cook, now I'm just going to add the bacon and the rest of the herbs so they're lovely and fresh, and the shallots, and I'm just going to give those a little turbo. Just a few boosts. Wind it down. Just have a little check. Put it back onto the normal speed. Just finish off the cooking process. We're there. Stop. Lid off. You could literally, if you wanted to have added a little bit of gelatine to this, you could then mould it and cut it. But I want to use it as a country sort of pâté with a bit of texture. So again, remember the blade doesn't come out, it's magnetic. There we have a gorgeous sort of bistro style pâté, loads of flavour because we've extracted all that orange, all those other flavours with the machine. It pushes it through because it takes it down. And remember, this is a a food processor. It's not a blender, so it really gets to the depth of the product. And the aroma from this is just absolutely gorgeous. Now you could use this hot if you wanted to and put them straight over a banqueting type steak or something, or I'm going to chill this down and use it as a lovely pâté to go with some toast.